Hello friends, today we will learn about the machine module. So, in machine module, we will see many type of option is here, like machine type. So in machine type, mill, lathe, mill turn, wire, router and design. In job setup, control definition, machine definition, material, simulator, backload, verify, simulate, post, for generate code, setup sheet, machine simulation in automatic tool pathing. So in machine module, first of all we learn about the lathe operation. So the lathe operation is based on a lathe machine. So now we will discuss about the lathe machine. So what is the lathe? So this is the image of lathe machine. A lathe machine is a machine tool which is used to remove metal from a workpiece to give a desired shape and size. In other words, it is a machine that is used to hold the workpiece to perform various metal removing operations such as turning, grooving, chamfering, filleting, facing, drilling, etc. with the help of tools. Now you will see the parts of lathe machine. But in this lecture we will discuss is the some part, like you will see chuck, our workpiece, tool and this coolant supply. So this is the tool post for supporting or holding the tool. This is the chuck for rotating our workpiece and this is the operation apply. So next is operation of lathe machine. So the number of operation of lathe machine. This is the turning operation. You will see this is your tool and headstock or your chuck. This is the facing operation. This is the grooving operation, boring operation and drilling operation. Next, see, this is the facing, your taper turning, counter turning, form turning, chamfering, cut-off operation, threading operation, boring operation, drilling and nulling. So these are the operation performed on your lathe machine. So now our next step is simple operation of facing. So first we will need to some object. So create an object in solid, change in right side view and create a cylinder. So now the radius value is 15 and height is 30 and OK. Now change in top view, alter 1. So this is our object. So next is machine module. Click on this arrow by lathe. Click on default. So you will see the option are here in toolpath manager. So click on this plus. This is the properties of lathe. Now this is the stock setup for your workpiece. So click on stock setup. Now you will see in stock setup the stock, chuck joe and many other options. So first we will set a stock for our object. So click on properties. You will see the option are here like make from 2 point, directly outer diameter, inner diameter, length and position. So we'll click on make from 2 points and give your 2 points like first and second. So you will see directly your length or diameter is here. Now click on this option use of margin for give your stock margin. So this is the outer margin. I will set the 2 in right side margin, 2 in left side margin, 5. If you see this option, so preview lathe boundaries, you will see your stock is set. Now press enter for continue your setup. Okay. So next is chuck setup. So click on properties, same option, make from 2 point, but one more option are here. This is the from stock. So click on from stock and give your grip length. If I give 2 and preview, so you will see. If you set the jaw size, so make from 2 point. See, first click and second click, so your jaw is directly created. From stock and give your grip length like 1 and OK. So this is the stock setup and chuck setup. OK. Now we will apply the operation of our stock. This is a general operation are here. In general operation, we will apply facing. So click on face. In toolpath parameter, you will select your tool for your facing. And in face parameter, select point. So click on point. Now click on select point. Your base point, first click here and second click here. Now this is the finish step over, the value of your cut. So I will set the 0.5 and maximum number of finish passes. So this is the 5. OK. So you will see your operation are applied. If you change this cut value, so click on parameter, you will see the open your box. So change your value like 0.25 and set your number of finish passes 10 and OK. So you will see the operation are not created. So why? So this is the regenerate option. So click on this option and regenerate your operation. Now this is the backplot, means to view for your operation in 2D. So click on backplot. You will see. Now if I click the play, you will see your operation is performed. Stop. So this is your tool, this is your holder, and your operation is performed in 2D view. So this is the backplot options. Like first is display tool or not. So if I unclick this, you will see your tool is hide. See. Now this is a display holder. If I unclick this, your holder is hide. Next is display rapid moves. So your rapid moves of tool is hide. This is a display endpoints. The small endpoints are here, hidden and show. And next is quickly verify. So for your stock shading, hide or not, and play again. So you will see your operation is performed. So cancel. So this is the backplot operation in 2D view. Now this is the verify selected operations. So select your operation and click on this option. So you will see this is the 3D view of your operation. Now we will change this direction view also. If you change in multiple window, so in view and select your viewport or window, see. Now set your view in both sides. If you right click this, so this is a view like top view, in front view, right view and isometric view. So change your view. See, you set your default view also like this one. See. play this operation, so you will see your object is cut and your operation is applied. So now I will set the speed in slow and again play. See. So this is the 3D view of your object. If you save this option or save this video, this is the record option, your recording option. Your quality change is high, medium and low. Your recording area, you will see this is a full window. If I unclick this and now the recording. So back means previous set and now click on record. So you will see and play. So the recording is start and now finish. So I will save on desktop. Give your name like 1 and save and cancel. So you will see the operation 1 are here. Right click and play. So save your video in 3D operation. So again in altered one view you will see your facing is here. NC file, give your extension .nc. OK. Change your file name like facing code and save. So you will see generate your code automatic for your facing operation. So you will see generate your code automatic for your facing operation. So this is the post selected operation used for a generate code of your selected operation. Thank you.